Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. If you're new here, I am Via. I absolutely love sharing haul videos, reviews, and all the fun stuff. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, join the fam so you never miss the update. Before we jump in, I suggest you guys to grab your tea, coffee, snacks, whatever you want. I grabbed mine since आज का video थोड़ा सा लंबा हो सकता है because I found some amazing pieces from Myntra and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So first up is this very stunning overcoat from the brand Chemistry. There were two color options, green and brown. I picked brown because I wanted brown color overcoat from a really long time. So there were 4 different sizes available in this coat, making it easier to find the perfect fit for everyone. I picked this coat in size small. Initially, I was very confused about buying this coat because the reviews were not great and the pictures that were uploaded online were also not doing justice. But I took a chance and I bought this coat. And let me tell you this, that this is such an amazing piece from Myntra. When it arrived, I instantly fell in love. The material is high quality, feels soft yet very sturdy, perfect for colder days. And the brown color is even more richer, guys. Like in person, this brown is looking really very beautiful as compared to online pictures. मतलब जो ऑनलाइन इसके पिक्चर्स जो भी अपलोड हुए हैं उसमें थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट ब्राउन दिखता है बट इन पर्सन ये थोड़ा डिफरेंट है इट्स दैट परफेक्ट शेड ऑफ ब्राउन द स्टिचिंग एंड द डिटेलिंग इन दिस कोट आर इम्पैकेबल स्टिचिंग बहुत ज़्यादा नीट हुई है इस कोट में एंड द फिट इज फ्लैटरिंग विदाउट बीइंग टू टाइट और जो भी मैं पहन रही हूँ आई डेफिनेटली अटैच द क्लिप समवेयर हियर और हियर सो यू कैन completely check out the product. This coat is one of those rare finds where everything fit, color, size, and fabric, everything comes together so perfectly. So if you're considering this, I highly recommend it because it's stylish, it's comfortable, and totally worth the price. So let's talk about our second product, which is also a overcoat from Dressberry. I picked beige color in size small. Honestly, I had more expectations from this one because of the pictures and the reviews that were uploaded online. पर इससे पता लगता है कि हमें we should not judge the product on the basis of photos and reviews. In real life also, we should not actually judge anything on the basis of oh, it's okay. Back to the coat. It is stylish. It is versatile because of its color. The only issue is that it is not that sturdy as the previous coat. It feels bit on the lighter side. It is moderately warm, but you can layer this one. However, it is perfect for those who have cervical pain because it is lighter, so it will not put too much weight on the shoulders. Overall, I think this is a decent pick, and I know that I'm going to style this a lot because of its color and style. Now, third is this gray velvet Sherpa jacket from Chemistry brand. I think I'm in love with Chemistry brand. This one is my personal favorite in this haul. The fabric is incredibly soft and really very warm. Very warm actually. Zip ki quality is also really very good. See, it's really very good. It feels like being wrapped in a hug on a chilly day. And its color, it's stunning. I highly recommend this jacket to those who are looking something that's fashionable and functional. And trust me, आप इसको एक बार पहन लोगे, आपका इसको उतारने का मन ही नहीं करेगा. This is that good. Now I'm so excited to share my fourth pick, which is this colorful cardigan from the brand All About You. I absolutely love the stunning color combination which are used in this. These color combination gives such a luxurious vibes. I've worn this cardigan once or twice and people literally complimented me. the fabric feels incredibly soft and rich, perfect for those who are looking comfort and elegance in one piece. What's even better, it effortlessly, enhances a simple look. For example, if you're wearing a plain black high neck sweater, which is very basic, and you'll wear this cardigan on the top, your look automatically enhances. Why? Because of the color combination that are present in this cardigan, because they actually live gives a really luxurious vibe to your simple look. I highly recommend this cardigan to those who are looking really very elegant and chic addition to their wardrobe. Okay, now let's talk about some gym fits. Yes, gym fits. You heard right. See, I'm not a regular gym person, but sometimes I go. So for those days, I decided to pick few gym fits. So first one I picked is these pair of cult workout tights in a stunning blue color, and my size is small. These tights are super comfortable, fits perfectly, has two big pockets on both the side, and you know what? These tights actually gives such a cool vibe. I think because of its blue, it is perfect for those days when I want to feel motivated to hit the gym. So highly recommend it to all the gym lovers. You can definitely go for it. My second pick from the gym fit is this Anamurki Henley neck raglan sleeve slim fit t-shirt in the size medium. So I wanted a full sleeves high neck t-shirt for my gym. And I came across few. उसमें से I picked two. One is this and second one is this. But now let's talk about this one first. The fabric and the fit of this one is too good. Now I can't wait to style these for my gym session because these are comfy and very flattering, and can do workouts with full coverage without compromising on style. So yeah, perfect. The second one is this high neck zipper from Apple's brand, which is also a good pick. ये भी बहुत अच्छा है. You can go for it. Highly, highly, highly recommend it to all the gym lovers. फिर से. Now I'm closing this video with this last product, which is Plumberry's Slim Fit High Rise Super Fast Drying Cycling Short with lace. Perfect to wear underneath any of your favorite dress. And the lace detailing, oh my god, the lace detailing is adding so much of elegance and the cute touch to it. Actually very seamless, so no need to worry about those weird lines that pops out from your bodycon dresses. Definitely you can check these out. Okay guys, that's it for today's haul. I hope this video helps you to pick your favorites from Myntra, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please do let me know in the comment section what is your favorite piece from this haul, and until then, take care. Bye bye.